My name is Lohit. I am studying in UKG. Hi, my name is Shantani. I am studying in UKG. Hi, my name is I am studying in UKG. Hi, my name is Abhishek. I am studying in UKG. Good everyone. My name is Sahil. I am studying in UKG.
ಬೈಕ್ ಪಡ್ಕೋ.
Hi, my name is Sharon. I am studying in UKG.
Okay, let's start. How many states are there in India?
There are 29 states in India.
Okay, my dear children, I will ask you questions about capital cities of states.
Okay, teacher.
Andhra Pradesh,
Amaravati,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Italy,
Assam,
Jaipur,
Bihar,
Patna,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Goa,
Panaji,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla,
Jammu and Kashmir,
Srinagar,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Karnataka,
Bangalore,
Kerala,
Tirunelveli,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Manipur,
Impal,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Mizoram,
Aizawl,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Odisha,
Mauritius,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Sikkim,
Gandhar,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Tripura,
Agartala,
Uttarakhand,
Dehradun,
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow,
West Bengal.
Kolkata.
Thank you, children. Okay, now I will ask you some GK questions.
Okay,
Who
teacher.
is the well-known President of India?
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir.
Who wrote our national anthem Jana Gana Mana?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Who designed our national flag?
Pingali Venkayya.
What is our national language?
Hindi.
What are the colors in our flag?
Saffron, white and green.
Who is the father of our nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Which is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
Who wrote the great epic Ramayana?
Valmiki.
Where is the biggest sun temple in India?
Irkona.
Which is the holy book of Hindus?
Bhagavad Gita.
What is our national bird?
Peacock.
Who is our first Prime Minister of India?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Who wrote the great epic Mahabharata?
Vedavyas.
Who invented telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell.
Name any 6 freedom fighters.
Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jhansi Lakshmibai, Bhagat Singh.
Which is the holy book of the Muslims?
The Quran.
Who wrote our national song Vande Mataram?
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
In which year India gets independence?
In 1947,
What is the full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam?
Dr. Aul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam.
Who discovered sea route to India?
Vasco da Gama.
Who is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh?
N. Chandrababu Naidu.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Damodar Das Modi.
Who invented aeroplane?
Wright brothers.
Which is the holy book of Christians?
The Bible.
Who is our President of India?
Pranab Mukherjee.
Okay, children, thank you.
అందరూ కూడా చిన్నారుల్ని ఆశీర్వదించాలి. 3-4 ఇయర్స్ యూకేజీ చిల్డ్రన్ చక్కని మీ అందరి చిన్నారులు ఈ భారతావనికి భవిష్యత్ ధ్రువతారులు. ఈ ట్వింకిల్ లిటిల్ స్టార్ రేపటి ధ్రువతారులుగా మీరందరూ ఆశీర్వదించవలసిందిగా కోరుచున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్, ఈ ప్రపంచానికి సృష్టికి మూలమైనటువంటి భగవద్గీత శ్లోకాల్ని మరికొంతమంది చిన్నారులు మీ ముందు పఠిస్తారు. ఆశీర్వదించండి.
so sorry.